Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erin. I'm a clinical aromatherapist here at Erin's Herbs. On this channel, I do weekly uploaded videos teaching you how to create your very own skincare products from the comfort of your own home. So whether or not you have never made skincare products or you have some experience, I hope that you will find this channel very informative. So let's get started creating. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this face serum. This is something that can easily be made at home, and it is suitable for all skin types. Now, this particular formula is perfect for the summer months, but you can also use this year-round. So let me show you the step-by-step process on how I create this. To create this face serum, I'm going to be adding some caprylic triglycerides into my beaker here. This is a very stable ingredient, which means it won't easily go bad or oxidize. It's going to be very helpful for extending the shelf life of the other ingredients being used, and it is derived from a plant source. This is going to help to hydrate the skin because it creates a protective barrier on the skin, and that prevents any moisture loss. This is going to be very fast absorbing, non-greasy. It will not clog the pores, and it is suitable for all skin types, and that includes sensitive and oily and acne-prone skin. What I love about this is that when you use this ingredient along with other ingredients, it actually helps the other ingredients to penetrate and work better. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some jojoba oil. This is actually not an oil at all, but rather a wax, but it mimics the skin's natural oils or sebum. It's easily absorbed into the skin, and it's a great source of vitamin E. It's another oil that does not clog the pores, but it does soothe and reduce any redness or inflammation that might be present on the skin. I'm now going to go ahead and add some evening primrose oil. This is another lightweight oil that is good for all skin types. It's also not going to clog the pores, and you'll see this ingredient being used a lot in anti-aging formulas. This helps the skin retain moisture. It also helps to improve the skin's texture, and it's great for helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's helpful when promoting cell regeneration, and it is packed full of antioxidants and nutrients that have a lot of soothing properties. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some Bisabolol. This is a natural active ingredient. It's very gentle and non-irritating. It's known for calming any red, inflamed skin, and it can also offer some relief from itchiness as well. It's going to be great for promoting collagen growth as well as reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin E is a great ingredient to be used on both skin and hair, so I'm going to use it in this formula. It's a great antioxidant. It's going to help to protect the skin as well as being very moisturizing for the skin. Instead of adding essential oils, I'm going to be adding instead some green tea extract. This is oil soluble, but green tea is high in polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants, and they're going to be very helpful for preventing any premature aging. They're also going to be great for soothing and calming irritated skin. Once the green tea extract has been added, I'm going to go ahead and remove this from the scale and then stir this really well. This is an important step because you want to make sure that you're incorporating all those ingredients together so that you're left with a really effective product at the end. All right, so the next step for me is I'm just going to go ahead and pour all of this face serum into my dropper bottle. Now, I'm only showing on this video me filling one dropper bottle, but in actuality, this made 2 dropper bottles for me. But the formula itself makes approximately 2 ounces of finished product. Now, this is a great face serum to be using year-round, as I mentioned earlier in this video, but especially during the summer months when we spend a lot of time outdoors and we expose our skin to a lot of the free radicals found outside in our environment. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to go ahead and take some of the serum that I just made, and I'm going to put it in the palm of my hand. I'm going to rub my hands together, and the reason that I'm showing you this is because I want to give you an idea on what it looks like on the skin itself. So once I've rubbed everything in, I'm going to show you here that it does have a nice shine to it, but it is not greasy to the touch. For substitutions in this formula, this is what I have for you. Instead of caprolate capric triglycerides, use cocoa caprolate caprate instead. For the jojoba oil, use argan oil. In place of evening primrose oil, use borage oil. For the Bisabolol, chamomile essential oil is a good option. Now, if you don't have or don't like the green tea extract, the oil-soluble one that I use today, something that I have used in the past that I really liked was frankincense essential oil. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.